Shahid Professor Sabah Dashtiyari was born in Maripur, a town in Karachi, on 2nd December 1953. The slain professor was a learned and skilled figure. He was adept at philosophy, religions, literature, and politics. He was highly educated and deeply knowledgeable. The man of ideology. Martyr Professor Sabah Dashtiyari is the name of that personality whose resolve was as high as the highest mountain and his level of meditation as deep as the oceans. However, the martyr professor was a figure of highly profiled who devoted his whole life for the better future of his generation. Frankly speaking, Shahid Professor Sabah Dashtiyari is a name of staunch philosopher, candid writer, in-depth poet, indefatigable researcher, non-partisan historian, and above all, a great teacher. The professor, who played a lifeline part to build a scientific-oriented channel for the Baloch liberation movement, was a man of unconquerable determination. More importantly, it is worthwhile to mention here that he was a genuine leader who put all his efforts to propagate the message of revolution to each and every villages and cities. He walked street to street to mobilize the nation to fight for their freedom. The history of Baloch liberation movement witnesses his contribution in every walk of life, whether it comes to culture, language, literature, or politics. In addition, it is a matter of fact that he put all his efforts to educate the youth of his nation so that they can better dismantle the challenges that they face on their way to freedom. It is unexaggerated that he has remained a candle in history of Baloch nation. On the basis of necessities, he enlightened Baloch students on the subject of revolution, self-conscience, and soul-searching. The light of revolution which he was circulating was surfaced intolerable for the security establishment of Pakistan. So plain was made by law enforcement agencies of Pakistan to eliminate him from their way. To accomplish their plan, they made a failed attempt to extinguish the candle. Dashtiyari was gunned down by state-directed agencies in 1st June 2011 when he was on his routine evening walking at a hectic area of university vicinity. The assassin of professor had probably forgotten the truth that by silencing him one cannot halt the light of ideology emanating from the candle. The alumni of Professor Sabah Dashtiyari have digested all whatever he delivered to the students. He did what he wanted physically. He is not among us, but his doctrine of revolutionizing the nation is flourishing and nurturing within the nation strongly. His ideology has rooted among the youth, and they have shouldered the responsibility to complement his motive of free Balochistan.